Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error 200_1040 Fall Guys Epic Games. We are going to open the command prompt console as administrator. Click Yes to access. First, run the command on the screen to release the cache of DNS. After that, reset WinSock using the command netch winsock reset. Press Enter. To complete this, reboot the system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When accessing the system again, go to the website that we left you in the description of the video. There it will be possible to see the real-time status of Epic Games and thus rule out various errors. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.